Port Huron, Michigan. Hey guys, the signal's finally blinking. Red blinking, green blinking, green. It's a westbound train too, so. Let me look. Hang on. Yep, it's blinking. That means the train is coming. So that one's red. Wait, there's a tunnel. There's a news signal, but I don't know when they're gonna put it on. It's pretty eastbound, and that one's red blinking, green blinking, green. And look up there. Yellow blinking green and red blinking yellow, red. Probably gotta be a bigger westbound, you know. Let's go over here, coming. Cold though. Hopefully it make this quick. You know. It's coming. Might take a few minutes. See the new signal? That's cool. I think it's for eastbound CN trains, I'm not sure. Whew, it's already cold. It's windy, that's why. Wind makes it hard. Damn. Here. There we go, better. What we'll do, we'll use each hand. Yep, the train's on its way. It's in the tunnel. Yep. I think it's CN 891 or Z139 westbound train, either one, but I'm not sure. It could be a different one, I don't know. We'll find out. But the CN M302 northbound train went straight through after we caught it at the Mount Clemens shop into the yard, so. Here's the second train of the night. Oh, I see it grow. Might be coming. It's on its way, it's coming. Yep. I don't know how fast it's gonna go, but here it comes. It's not here yet. I'll be here in a minute. Here. That's the tunnel. Usually it grows a lot. It's getting blurry a little bit. Here it comes. Finally. It's starting to grow now. Yep. Here it comes. It's on its way. It's coming now. It's coming out of the tunnel right now. Yep. When it gets out of the tunnel, we'll zoom out. Comes. CN westbound train, Port Huron, Michigan. There's the train. You can grow. That's cool. There it is. Alright, zoom out. Comes. Port Huron, Michigan. Doesn't it sound different? It sounds funny. Like a gate. Here comes Port Huron, Michigan. Where? westbound train, I knew it. Whoa! Yep, it is. I think. Not sure, I think. Yeah, car broke up a little bit. I'm not sure. Nope, not yet. I think we're trying to get some phone cars. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really freezing, man. Might be DPU. I don't think so. Possible, but I don't think so. Oh. Look at the M397. I don't think so. I don't know. We'll probably touch it again on the webcam later. What's that? Damn, that's a long one. I might get in the car in a minute. I'm cold. An 8-minute train so far. No. More stop. I'm gonna get in the car, I'm cold. Alright. You can still see it, you know. It's just cold out. No. It's M397, I think. Oh, look. A Grand Trunk coal car. That is a big train. He's gonna stop, I think. If the end doesn't catch up, you know. If that's the case, we'll catch the whole train. It's the M301, I knew it. I see an M301 westbound train, I knew it. Yep, it's that time, so. Really long. A lot longer than the one from last time. Oh yeah, it's much longer. Christ. Oh, my hand. That's a new crossing bell. And the sound of the crossing, you know? Oh, there's the end. Port Huron, Michigan. Let's get the gates real quick, and I'm getting in the car. It's cold. That's the last training for the night. Yep, we'll see. Huron, Michigan. Alright, bye.